What's up, guys? Good morning. This is Captain 83 coming to you from the airport lounge. This morning, I have U.S. Airways Airbus A330-243. Oh, sorry, the A330-323. Well, the 323 from U.S. Airways, which now flies for American Airlines, 777 Die Hard Forever featured this aircraft in the One World livery by Gemini Jets. Now, I'm going to review this aircraft in U.S. Airways old livery. Now, I'll give you a tour of the aircraft, starting first with the stack ports, PO tubes, the cockpit windshield, and windshield wipers. U.S. Airways was at one time a member of Star Alliance. Here you see the Star Alliance livery, the L1 door. U.S. Airways, the two Rolls-Royce turbofan engines. Come on, the lean edges of the wings down to the winglets of the A330. And you're staring at the front of the aircraft right now. Got a registration number. The old U.S. Airways livery. U.S. Airways acquired this aircraft from Airbus back around in 2000. They used it on the flights from Philadelphia to Manchester, to London Gatwick, and to Frankfurt. There you're staring at the APU right there, the auxiliary power unit. The tailplanes. The horizontal stabilizer of the A330. Now we'll run onto the port and starboard side of the A330-243. There you have the old U.S. Airways livery. The registration number of this aircraft. Pan up towards the front of the aircraft right there. Come up on the wings. This tour is almost complete on the leading edges of the wings. The two Rolls-Royce turbofan engines, the U.S. Airways tiles, the galley door right there, which is next to the L1 door, and up to the cockpit, and that is it. U.S. Airways, which tried to survive, basically couldn't survive at all. Went through bankruptcy a lot, and then finally, U.S. Airways was finally acquired by American Airlines in 2013. This aircraft right here is, well, its fate, it's in the markings of American Airlines right now. Oh, it's in the markings of American Airlines. Sorry about that. Give me a nice shot of the A330. That's a nice bird's eye view. Of the A330-324. And that's it for this video. Alright guys, that's it. I would like to say thank you very much for watching this video. And like always, like, comment, subscribe. Until next time, from the airport lounge, this is Captain 83A wishing you all a good day.